Hi, it's McKee on Wealthy Wednesday, and today I am, as they say, super excited because it's not me today, it's Lucy Mooney at Studio 11 where I am now, and you're going to learn about how to have yourself shot.
Hi, and my name's Lucy and I'm from Studio 11 Photography and Pool, and today is Wealthy Wednesday. Why is it Wealthy Wednesday? Well, I'm going to explain it to you. If you want to be wealthy, who doesn't? You've got to think about how to get there. What's your first start point? It's your first impression, and that is a headshot, a profile shot. It's all online. It's what we judge people on. So what we do that's maybe a bit different from everybody else, we don't just say have one headshot. We don't just say have two headshots, not even three. We say, let's give you 4 headshots. And I'm going to explain exactly why. So here we are where the magic happens. So headshot number 1, we're going to talk about high key. I don't expect you to know what that means, so I'm going to tell you. High key is basically white background, simple, fills the face. There's no sort of clever trying to create shadows or mood. It really is, imagine it like your product pick. It's your face, it's you. And, you know, we can take them straight ahead, to the side, to the other side, because that way you can choose what your best angle is. This is my tool, this is where it starts, and it would literally take 5 minutes of your time. So that's number 1, headshots. Use it for your profile, LinkedIn, easy peasy shot, everyone needs one. So that's the first one. I will then explain about headshot number 2.
High key shot.
And cut. Hi, it's me again. So we're going to talk about headshot number 2. So we mentioned about high key, which is the light, bright, white, always white. So that's your clean shot. This is low key. It doesn't have to be a black background, it could be a dark shade, basically using 1 light source, maybe 2. The reason you might go for something like that is if you want to create a bit more mood, a little bit more atmospheric. Maybe you're a banker, an accountant, you want to give that slightly more serious look to what you do. So, and it's also great for maybe someone in the beauty industry. It will accentuate shadows of the good kind. And it's just giving something a bit different. So, you know, it's maybe make you stand out a bit more. So that's a low key shot. Again, it's just using 1 or 2 lights, easy to do from one to the other. So that's another 5 minutes of your time and it's done. So that's low key.
Key. Lucky.
Okay, so we are now on to headshot number 3. First we've got high key, low key, now we've got chroma key, and they all rhyme, which is the best thing. So what is chroma key? It's used a lot in film, TV. The reason it's used, it's the easiest way to cut a background out and put a different background on. So they use it a lot for films. I mean, like if you want to be Harry Potter on your broomstick flying around, you'll be shot in front of a chroma key. So who would this be useful for? Anybody really. I mean, if you had a surfing business and you wanted to come in the studio, have a headshot done, then be Hawaii behind you, great, easy to do, very simple, and the joy of it is you can change the background. So same picture, you can have as many different backgrounds as you want. So that is chroma key. So you've got your high key, your low key, your chroma key, and it's whether the next one sounds like key is up to you. Here's Lex.
Lex McKee. Ha.
Get me every time.
Let's change the background while we look at the camera. We had Hawaii, where should we go next?
Oh, Timbuktu.
Timbuktu. London.
Timbuktu doesn't look very good, does it?
Well, we'll have a go.
Okay, New York.
New York?
Should we go to New York?
And then, before you can have a coffee break, we have to do the last one. Thank you.
Okay.
I no longer wish to be associated with this sort of antics.
So now that wind's died down, I might be able to explain what I'm doing on a bike. Well, I'm talking about headshot number 4. Now, headshot number 4 is all about what you do, the situation, maybe a prop. I can give you an example. I did an artist a few years ago, fantastic artist, had her in front of her a huge piece of art. We had a couple of paintbrushes dipped in, held to her head, colourful. Really, there was no denying what she did. It was more cheerful. You could apply this to anything. Why am I on a bike? I don't know. Maybe I'm a biker. Maybe I'm trying to sell motorbikes. But yeah, this would be my prop for headshot number 4. And you know, I think I could probably give another example. I did Rand Will Clipper yacht racer, and he, keynote speaker, wanted to show a little bit more than just his face. So we had all the maps spread out. We had some calipers. We had him open, inviting, and this is more about directing you, getting a bit more out of you than just your smiling head to the side stuff. So headshot number 4 takes a little bit more thought behind it, and that's where I work very closely with the client to find out what it is they're actually trying to say, who they're trying to say it to, and we deliver that in quite a fun way or a serious way. But headshot number 4, the bike doesn't come included, that's just optional. Right, so let's cut to the chase. As with all businesses, what's this going to cost you? If you're worried about it, don't be. For just an hour of your time, you can get all those 4 headshots. Our prices start from as little as 50 quid. Now, if there's more of you, you're a team, you don't have the time out of your workplace to come to visit me at the studio, we've actually got a mobile setup that we can bring to you, and literally it will take 5 minutes out of each member of staff's time. So cutting any loss of work, all that. So we really do have a solution to fit any business. So whether you come here, we come to you, we're guaranteed to give you headshot 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what more could you want? Thank you very much. And that's a wrap.
So that's a big thanks to Lucy Mooney, for helping us with Wealthy Wednesday here at her lovely studio.
We're winning already.
Studio 11. It's like peace.
So yeah, don't forget Studio 11, come and visit us and we can help you with all your photographic needs.
Because you're
I'm
worth
worth
it.
it.
Ah! That's
Jinx
close
paddle.
enough. Oh, didn't hit it.
Cool.